Welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead video. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet trying to bring you the best work from home job leads daily. So if there's anything you're specifically interested in, leave it in the comments below and I will always keep my eye out when I am searching. But today we will keep this one very short, sweet, and to the point. The company Wethos is hiring a customer support associate. Now it says you'll be a key member of their product marketing team with customer support within. The role is instrumental to the success of the users on their platform. They do classify this as a tier 1 role with a salary range from anywhere from $50,000 a year to $75,000 a year. Now, this position is a lot of non-phone based customer service. It says you'll become an expert on Wethos and champion and delivering the very best, most reliable customer support experience. And you'll be on the front lines communicating with users over email, intercom chat, Slack, Google Hangouts, and Zoom, and in a constantly ever-changing environment. You'll manage the flow of customer questions and engagement and provide prompt responses. You'll have to collaborate with other support team members in helping troubleshoot and resolve cases, and you'll apply existing support for the tracking processes. So you'll handle customer support reporting to any user problems and account maintenance or data request, and you'll log any bugs or issues that the customers have. They are looking for someone who has 3 years experience working in a customer focused role at a tech startup or a similar organization. This is a startup company. They have a strong desire and commitment for helping others and engaging with people, so they want you to have the same. They need someone who has the ability to adapt in ever-changing environment and that has a high level attention to detail and has effective communication skills. They would like somebody who has previous experience with Intercom and Zendesk. Now, Zendesk is a online ticketing system, so that is all non-phone based, and they want someone who has worked with a product or service that impacts core values of the end users. Now, it does say they are really wanting to have a diverse work group, so they are really trying to get people of Black, Indigenous, people of color, LGBTQ, all kinds of excluded groups. They are trying to get applications from those people, so those may be put to the front of the line. Now, it does say they're a fully remote company. They are based out of the United States and Canada, and it says you should be remote within a time zone that's manageable for collaboration across the CST and EST time zones. So they do not exclude and specifically state that international people can't apply. And the way this is worded, I take it as anyone can apply worldwide, but just know that they're based out of the United States and Canada. These are the hours they're going to be working, and that your schedule has to work with those hours. So you need to verify that works for you before applying. They do offer medical, dental, and vision insurance, and it says they cover 50% of the plan cost. They offer flexible time off, and they also offer a work from home remote stipend, so they will give you money for office supplies, and they also have a retirement savings plan. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.